standard. Now we are going to do activity 8 standard English textbook, unit number 3, light English. My name is Bhargavi Mope. I am going to play role of Utkarsh.
My name is Darshan Gadge. I am going to play role Jyoti.
My name is Chetan Gadge. I am going to play role of Hamid.
My name is Tanma Alam. I am going to play role of Rashid.
My name is Sanya Sheikh. I am going to play role of Pratima.
My name is Chandana Shingole. I am going to play role of Siddhana.
Hi friends, how did you fare in your exam?
Hi John. Hello everyone. Friends, my exam was good, but I faced some problems in the unseen passage.
Mine was also good, but the same problem faced by me as well.
I faced the problem of meaning of unknown words.
I could not even read some unseen passage.
Where can we get the solution to this problem?
Don't worry, we can find our solutions if you refer a good dictionary.
But we didn't bring dictionary with you. What can you do?
Friends, we can search the meaning of online and offline dictionaries for personal computers and smart cell phones at home.
What a great idea, friends.
Let's go and meaning of pronunciation and use of unknown words. Open internet browser as like Google Chrome. Then type of www.talashkuya.com. Then type of word is work. Work is noun, also verb. Noun, activity involving mental or physical efforts done in order to achieve a purpose or result. He was tired after days work in fields. Verb, be engaged in physical or mental activity in order to achieve a purpose and result, especially in one job doers.
Thank you, Hamid. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our KPID classes YouTube channel. Thank you.